Hello, everyone. Welcome to another cooking episode. I think today I like to share with you my spinach pesto. It's pesto is everybody knows that, but this is different from traditional pesto that you know. I'm using spinach because my basil is not even germinating yet. So, and the spinach are doing really well. So why not do the spinach? And it's fantastic for all for pasta, of course, and so many dishes. So let me start what I have here.
This would be a seasonal pesto, right?
Well, I called it seasonal because, like I mentioned, of the my basil is not even germinating yet. So that's why it's seasonal. And although now you can almost find spinach year around at the market or supermarket. It's always available. So if you want to try it, you can try it any time of the year. So let me start with putting my ingredients inside my little helper. My well, she's been doing very well actually. She's but this is my basic measurement here because the capacity of my chopper, mini food processor is small, so I have 100 grams of spinach here, or maybe 4 ounces, and add, I'm going to use cashew nuts instead of pine nuts, which is traditionally pesto cash made from pine nuts, but I'm using cashew. That's one. This is about this is 25 grams, and my garlic I'm using. This is equivalent of two big cloves, although they are five, but these are very small cloves. And if you're vegan, you can omit Parmesan cheese. That's in there. And I have 80 milliliters of olive oil. Pour them in. I did put the cheese, yes. Parmesan cheese, I already grate them. And this is how easy, everybody knows that, how pesto is very easy but very useful in any cooking in the kitchen. And hold your ears. Come on. Fantastic. It's done. So now in here a little bit thick, but you can thin it as you like with oil. And the reason I do this because when I put this on bread, for example, then it doesn't run away. It sticks to the bread for bruschetta. So I leave it as it is, and basically this is done. It's a quick video for making pesto, spinach pesto. Of course, it's very good for pasta, very good for um, crepes made from chickpea flour, which I have recipe with it. You may check it on my videos. There it is.
Now, the using cashew nuts, if I am correct, cashew nuts are very oily, the same as pine nuts, right? Is oily the right word?
Creamy. I would say it's creamy. Creamy. So that's what I said. If you're vegan, omit the cheese because you would still get a very creamy texture because of the pine nuts, not pine nuts. Okay, pine nuts if you use pine nuts, but I'm using cashew, which is the flavor is very similar. And believe me, I watched the documentary about the Barilla, big company of making pasta, and they also make sauces for pasta, and they showed the how to make pesto when they were using in fact they were using cashew nuts. In fact, that's where I got the idea from them. Thank you for watching and enjoy this recipe and do try this at home. It's a very versatile pesto. And I'll see you for my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Ciao for now.